Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and today I'm going to give you a tour of my mother's craft space. It's a pretty small area, second bedroom in her home, and I thought I'd just show you how she keeps it all organized and stored so that she can access all of her things in such a small space. First of all, I rolled her Cricut cart out into the hallway so I have more room to maneuver, and this is everything Cricut related. She has an older expression, and then I think she has a couple photo albums she's working on the cart also. As you go in on the door, she has one of these over the door shoe organizers, a clear one, so she has all of her punches in there and she can see them all without needing to worry about what's inside by using the clear one, which is a good idea. And her first station, she uses fold-up tables, plastic fold-up tables. You're not going to find anything from IKEA in here. A little bit of Michael's, and that's about it. So this is her desk area, her computer, her printer, and some pretty cards and things people have given her that she likes to look at. Down here, this little drawer unit with wheels has her office supplies. And then she has some trash cans. And over here, she has some solid paper scraps and some cords and different things that she needs to keep organized. Over here, she has a little shelf in the corner. On the top of the shelf, she has one of these makeup organizers that she's using for her paper flowers and her washi. It has little drawers, which is really cute for her washi to stay organized. And then she's got this little shopping cart. I have no idea where it came from, with some little post-it notes. This shelf has some of her We Are Memory Keepers items, tools. This table right here is another workspace, but of course this is a creation space. Another trash can underneath. She's got some more paper organized in there. She's got a little footstool there, which is nice. And it also opens so you can have more storage if you need to. And she has her Xyron machines. She has things like straight pins and clips and things that you use when you're crafting. Stamp cleaner. She's got her tape runner. Some of those decorative scissors. It's very old school, right? And this is her We Are Memory Keepers word punch board, which she really enjoys. More cards and things people have given her that she likes. Some task lighting. She keeps those little notebooks there, and as she's watching YouTube or something, she can jot down notes and things she wants to try or wants to do. A little clock. This is like some clothespins and different things she might use when she's crafting. Those are little plastic photo albums she makes little mini albums with, which we'll probably be working on. This is another We Are Memory Keepers. They're glass mat, which comes in handy when you're doing messy things for sure. This is another unit, stacked unit with drawers, and it has some of her favorite wood stamps, sticky notes. It looks like she's got her alphas and numbers stored in there, those kinds of stamps. Shimmer trim, just things she wants to keep organized. Next to it, right there before the trash can, is her favorite guillotine type paper trimmer that she really enjoys. Up on top, she's got some earbuds, and she's got this is a little spinning thing with some of her favorite tools and pins that she wants to keep handy. There's her ATG gun. Let me step back and I'll show you. This is another work surface. This is a 6-foot table. What we did was we went to Michael's and purchased these cubes, 2 cubes, and it's their new cube system. I will say they were just as chipped and difficult to put together as the old cube system. But anyway, we purchased 2. Then we went to the hardware store, and the longest shelf they had was 5 feet. We really wanted 6 feet, so it would go all the way. But they only had the 5 foot. So we just made the best of it. She put her TV there. Can't really put anything heavy in the middle since it's not extended all the way over. She has some buttons here organized in this turning spice rack. It will turn, yes. Her TV and her Roku, that's important, right? Grandchildren pictures. And here's a bunch of some more refills of glue and some trims and ribbons. Down here are her stamp blocks, some glue. You'll see throughout this room she's got a lot of adhesives and refills. Some more stamp cleaner. This is the stamp and storage unit, and I will try to link to that. So she has the majority of her ink pads here and then a few overflow. Of course, hand lotion. Everybody has hand lotion, right? Her favorite reverse tweezers. And over here are all, she's got some ink refills and some of the color splashes from Fun Stamper's Journey and some of the little stamps with the dates and things. And some Scotch tape, it looks like she keeps in here. Right up here on this shelf, she has her pan pastels organized and her colored pencils. Back in this corner, she has some of her different sponges and daubers and emery boards, things you might use when you're doing more of a mixed media look. Here is another spice rack, and she has, looks like she's got some eyeballs and some rainbow drops and some sticky back pearls, all sorts of things like that organized. She's got some binder clips in there. Here in this square, this cube, she has some of her favorite companies organized, holidays, and then like Graphic 45 together. She keeps them all together like that. Okay, down on the floor, move the chair out of the way. She has, those are all the Close to My Heart bins with Close to My Heart stamps. She has another footstool. And in that bin are idea books and catalogs that she saved, which is a great idea. I don't throw them away either, because if I have a stamp set, sometimes I want to go back and look and see what they did with the stamp set and gives me some ideas. Okay, here in front are a couple of bins with current projects and all the stuff on top for the current projects. So she keeps them all together. This, okay, oh, I didn't pan up to show you a picture of my brother and a picture of myself, circa 1970 something. I don't even want to guess. And here's her laminator, some more paper towels. That container right there is a kitchen container, but she has her refill blades for her paper trimmers in it. Here is another drawer unit, and inside she has tape and more extra refills for things, for her tape guns it looks like. Mini albums she's made, and a photo album she's made. Here on this shelf, she has envelopes that are pre-made and ready to go. This shelf, she has cards that she's pre-made, ready to send to whoever. These are sugar dispensers, and she's put her favorite twines in there. So, her favorite twine in there, so she can pull it out and use it as she wants. Here are some more kitchen organizers, and she has ribbon and more twine and thread and things, and some of her favorite stamps that she uses often, she keeps out. Okay, on the closet door, she has another one of these organizers, these clear over the door organizers. And again, she has more refills, more bling, more buttons, just all that kind of stuff that she can find. Pictures that she enjoys, mostly grandchildren it looks like, yeah. And this rolling cart we just purchased also. And I think the color is called Berry, but it almost looks purple. It's really pretty. And she has everything. She's made herself a die cutting station here. So she has her little 6-inch die cutting machine, all of her embossing folders down there at the bottom, and all of her different plates for the machine. And then the top is a nice little work area. Right now there's nothing in there, but you could store something underneath. Okay, let me open up the closet. And it is very small also. She has a cart here front and center that she can roll out and use when she wants to. And it has, right now, mostly Fun Stamper's Journey stamps and information. And she loves that company. Unfortunately, they're going away. But okay, down here on the floor is some more paper organization. So it's some printed paper, solid colored cardstock in 12 by 12, and some page protectors that she might use for her photo albums. Over here in the corner, it's kind of jumbled, but she has some of those organizers, the 12 by 12 ones, so she can put projects in them when she's working. And then she's got a big ruler there, yardstick. And some things in the craft room she's stored that, you know, normally are not craft related, but she has a very small house, so she's got a few things stored in there that are not craft related. So I'll kind of give you a view of the room all together, how she's got it set up. When I'm not here, like I said, she might put, she might put her sewing machine up or some of her machines on this table. But when I'm visiting, this way we each have our own work surface. And if we can decide on the same show to watch, we're all set to work. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.